What's up guys, Intel's Core i9-14900K Raptor Lake Refresh CPU has been benchmarked within Geekbench and it achieves the highest single-core performance rating. There's currently no shortage of Intel 14th Gen CPU benchmarks, as we have seen several over the last few weeks, but the latest one once again shows that the Intel Core i9-14900K is heading out to become the fastest single-threaded chip on the planet when it launches in the coming month. The CPU was benchmarked in Geekbench 6 and just rips through the previous record held by the Core i9-13900KS. Starting with the specs, the Intel Core i9-14900K CPU will feature 24 cores and 32 threads in an 8+16 configuration. The CPU will feature up to 36 MB of smart cache and a base TDP of 125 watts. It will feature clock speeds of 3.2 GHz at base and up to 6.0 GHz with a thermal velocity boost. This will be a plus 200 MHz frequency jump over the Core i9-13900K and the same as the Core i9-13900KS. The CPU was recently spotted in retail with prices of $695, which is a plus 15.8% hike over its predecessor, but we shouldn't consider this the final retail price yet. As for the benchmarks, the chip was tested on a BioStar Z790A silver motherboard with a DDR5 4800 memory, 16GB capacities, and the balanced power plan, which is not the best case scenario for it at all, since their unlocked chips only show their true potential when running faster memory kits and with an unchained power profile. Well, despite all the fundamental flaws with the testing methods, the Intel Core i9-14900K CPU still managed to outperform the previous gen flagship by scoring an impressive 3140 points in single core, while losing out a bit in multi-threaded score with 19,134 points. The loss in the multi-threaded score is related to the power plan, since the chip being fully utilized will always require more power than a single-core task. This marks a 6% improvement in single-core score over the Core i9-13900K and a 1% improvement over the Core i9-13900KS. Given the factors that I mentioned above, it looks like final tuning and optimizations with proper configurations will lead to much better scores, so this is just a preview of what you can expect with the Intel 14th Gen desktop CPUs. While the Intel Core i9-14900K desktop CPU might end up being the fastest chip around, it will also be very power hungry and a very hot chip to tame. The Core i9-13900K and KS are already the most power hungry chips that can sip anywhere from 250 to 300 watt power and run it up to 90 to 100 C with full load applied. These are some of the trade-offs you would have to make if you are going with Intel, since the AMD camp offers more efficient operation while delivering stellar performance. The most interesting comparison will be between the X3D pods in gaming, since that's definitely something that Intel is going to market the single core increase benefits for. In any case, the Core i9-14900K and the rest of the two unlocked SKUs will be announced later this month at the innovation event. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Good luck to all.